Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how to request for flight authorization from NAV Canada. And of course you have to log into your NAV Canada account, and NAV Canada will send you a security code. You need to enter the security code and hit login. It will take you to a page of planned operations, but first I recommend you to enter the address that you are planning to fly, or the area you are planning to fly. Then you can set up some parameters like a maximum height. Maximum allowable height is 120 meters in Canada. You can set up anywhere from 1 meter to 120 meters. It depends on your flight area. And when you are okay with the height you are going to fly, you can hit save. It's gonna take you to another page called Plan Operation. You can either use the polygon tool or radius tool or path tool to draw a map where you want to fly. I use polygon tool most of the time because I think polygon tools is easy to draw a map. With polygon tool you can pull the four corners to make the rectangle flight area, or make a square or triangle or polygon map. And when you are okay with the map, you can hit set polygon. It will take you back into plan operation where you can set up start time and date and end time and date. You can only set up the start date and the end date in the same day. Start time and end time depend on your mission. It could be 45 minutes, half an hour, or 2 hours. It depends on your mission. And then you hit plan operation. It'll take you to operation name. I'm gonna put in roof inspection, for example. I'm gonna enter roof inspection. Scroll down and you can see start date and time, end date and time. Category of operation, advanced, activities. I'm gonna select inspection. Operation type is VLOS. Geometry is the map that I use polygon tools to draw, and you can see all the information that I have entered. You can adjust the maximum height depending on your house or the building you are going to inspect. I'm gonna put 90 meters AGL and hit save. In description I'm going to put roof inspection. Hit done and then hit save, and then hit save as draft. Success, your operation was created successfully. And then you're gonna hit request, and you can see that you have one task to complete. You can see the number one icon jumping at the task. You're gonna hit on the task and it's gonna take you to activities like information about hazardous material must be immediately communicated. And I hit no, and the maximum operation altitude, and I hit return to home. And time to return to home is 2 minutes. The description, the pre-program are past behavior procedures. I'm gonna put return to home, and I'm gonna put 3 minutes to return to home in case you fly far from where you took off. And review all the information that I enter. Then I'm gonna hit next, and it'll take me to comment page, and then I can put the comment in there. Rain leaking, inspecting the roof, and hit submit. Approved. I can see that it changed from initiated status to approved status. It's automatically approved. Then you can hit view, and it's gonna take you to a download page where you can download the flight authorization and save it into my phone. Now I can hit permission suggest entry to check all the information I have entered. And you can hit back and hit back again. I hit the calendar icon, and you can see that August 10 I'm gonna have operation name roof inspection status accepted, and all of the parameters has been set up properly. And then I go back to my file where I say the approval document from NAV Canada, and I can see that my request for flight authorization has been approved, and this is all done through the app. At the same time, NAV Canada also sent me an email, so check your email when you apply for a flight authorization. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.